from this accident. People are injured from this accident, and someone's going to be arrested. That's the sad truth.
Don't get arrested.
So as they get out, they come, they arrive, they're looking at the cars, they're checking out the victims, and radioing for what else needs to be done.
Hill Command, auto accident, extrication, 5000 North Central, 5000 North Central Avenue, 01, we're handling 4 Central, acknowledge, acknowledge truck 1. Acknowledge truck 1, heavy rescue 1 responding. Truck 1, rescue 1 responding, 959 hours.
Don't text and drive. And YOGO, unless you go to college, go to college. I love you guys.
Okay, so apparently I'm supposed to talk to you about what that was like. It was actually really scary, like if I was actually in that position. There was glass everywhere. Ask Leroy. He actually got cut. Yeah, so like there's glass everywhere, and you realize that the adrenaline is going through all of them. Like, they may have been acting, but this is like a joke for them too. And it's really scary. Don't do it. Don't get an accident. Oh, the helicopter ride was legit. I got to look down. I saw the school. It's really pretty from above.
And like the things they use, which is the jaws of life, it was like kind of cool, I guess.